Welcome back to the How to Office channel. Some of you may be new to Microsoft Excel and confused about inserting an image. While the method is the same, there are additional features for inserting images into Microsoft Excel. Watch this tutorial to the end to learn how. Go to the Insert menu, then select Illustration, then select or click Picture. Two options will appear: Insert Picture from or Online Picture. If you want to insert an image from your computer storage, select this device. If you want to insert an image from the internet, select Online Picture, but your computer must be connected to the internet. For example, if I want to insert an image from my computer storage, select this device. Find the desired image and click Insert. The image will appear. So, it's easy, right? That's how to insert an image into Microsoft Excel 2019. I hope this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.